Hello and good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the fifth lesson of your grammar, articles. Now, articles are of two types, that is indefinite article and definite articles. Now, what is indefinite articles? Articles a and an are used for singular noun. These are called indefinite articles. We use a or an when we talk about a common noun for the first time. Okay? A and an are called indefinite articles. What are indefinite articles? A and an. Okay, remember this. Now, we use a when the noun is singular and begins with a consonant sound. See, a is used with the consonant. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. For vowels we use an. Okay? Before vowel we use an, and before a consonant we use a. Keeping this rule in mind, please fill this. I will help. See, look at the cycle C. C is a consonant, you use a cycle. Okay, the cycle is a common noun. There are many cycles in the world. We don't know which specific cycle, isn't it? Therefore, this is a common cycle. Therefore, for common noun, and when the first letter of the common noun is starts with the consonant, then we use a. Okay, now look at this. G is a consonant, we use a. Eagle, E is a vowel, therefore we use an. Hat, H consonant. Okay, like that you should fill this. I will show you one more. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. Before vowel you use an. Okay, which article you are using? An. A and an are indefinite articles. Point number 1, a and an are indefinite articles. It is used before a common noun. Articles are used before, the indefinite articles are used before common noun. Now, if the first letter of the common noun starts with the consonant, you use a. If the first letter starts with the vowel, then you use an. Okay, you use an. Understood? Now, children, let us look at the definite article. Which is a definite article? The is called a definite article. Okay. Now, look, why the is definite? Because we are talking already. We know, when we know what we are already talking about, then the is used. The is specific. Okay, when we have already talked about the thing before, it is specific. Therefore, we use the to point that particular noun. When we talk about something in particular, okay, again something specific, then or particular we are about, then we use the article the. When the noun is plural, again we use the article the. When there is only one of something, that means it is very unique. Okay, something is unique, then also you use the. The is used before words that begins with consonants as well as vowels. Okay, here definite article doesn't have follow the rule of consonant and vowel. It is used in both the cases. Okay. Children, look at these examples. I am reading a new book, because we already know, we already talked about that book. Therefore, book, when it is mentioned again, it is the article the is used. The book is very good. The, because second time it is mentioned. Look, this sentence whole is one question. Okay, I am reading a new book. The book is very good. So whoever is saying about this book, he is telling about the book second time. First he is saying, I am reading a book. Second time he is saying, the book is very good. He is specifically pointing out to that particular book, therefore the is used. The principal is busy because principal is known to the speaker and the listener. Okay, therefore it is already known. When it is already known, then the article is used. The oranges are in basket because oranges is a plural noun. When we use noun in plural form, we use the article. See, look at this, oranges. The sun shines brightly. Sun is a unique thing. There is no other sun, we know, isn't it? I mean, in our solar system. Therefore, because there is only one sun, then it is very unique. Then the article is used. Understood? Now look at these exercises again. These are all common nouns. Books, shoes, spider. Moon is not a common noun. It is a unique thing. Therefore, you use the article here. Orange shirt, umbrella are all common. When it is common noun, you have to see the first letter. Okay, if the first letter is a consonant, then use A. If it is a vowel, then you use an. The first letter is a vowel in a common noun, then you use an. Understood? I'll finish this also. Read these sentences and fill it with the articles. Fill the blanks with the articles. See, he eats apples. Apples are very juicy. That means the apple is mentioned again. Okay, they are talked about again. So here which article comes? Definite article. Which is the definite article, children? The. Repeat. The is the definite article, and when things are repeated, then we use the article the. They have a garden. This is, you are talking about the garden for the first time. So a garden. Okay, look at this example. I am reading a new book. Why a is used? Because the book is talked about for the first time. Second time, when it is talked about it again, the is used. Here also you are talking about the garden for the first time, therefore a is used. The second time you use the article the. An igloo. First time you are using, look at the first letter of this noun. It is vowel. Therefore an igloo. Okay, it's a dome shaped house. Second time, when you mention about it second time, then you use the article. Understood? Like that you finish this. And look at this. As I told, when there is no other with the same name, like Yamuna, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, there is no other sea with the same name, right? Arabian Sea, only one is there. Indian Ocean, only one is there. Okay, Yamuna river, only one is there. There is no repetition of these names. For persons and all we keep, but not for the river. There is only one river named Yamuna. Therefore, when there is only one and unique things, then the is used before the nouns. Okay, like Nilagiri Hills, okay, Himalayas, Red Fort, Empire State Building, all these have the in front of that. Understood? Now, Ravi hurries to catch the Rajdhani Express. The, because Rajdhani Express named train, only one is there, right? Correct. Ali and Farid play guitar in a band. You don't know which band. There are many bands. Band andre ಒಂದು group of musicians, okay, with the instruments. So ಅಂಥ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದು ಗ್ರೂಪು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಉಂಟು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡಿದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ದ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಈಗ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಪೀಟ್ ಬೈಸ್ ಅ ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಹೀ ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದ is used when it is used for the second time. Understood? Our team wins the first prize. Why the first prize for selling candles? ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 2-3 ಉಂಟಾ? ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನ್ ಇಡುವಾಗ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? Look at this. Arabian Sea looks orange. The Arabian Sea, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು sea named Arabia ಇಲ್ಲ. So the. When it is not repeated, it is unique, then the is used. We put onions in a brown bag. An onions use ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? S ಉಂಟು. This is plural. So when it is used with a plural, the is used. Understood? Simple. I want to buy a watermelon. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬೈ ದ ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಎ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯನು ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೋರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಮದರ್ ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಕೈಟ್. ಇದು ಜಂಬಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಂಟು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅ ಬಾಯ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಕೈಟ್. ಕೈಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಹೈ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ. ಅ ಕೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಹೈ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. I will just keep on telling, you have to write. Okay? Girl holding balloon. A girl, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಗರ್ಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. A girl is holding a balloon. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಬಲೂನು ಒಂದಲ್ವಾ? A balloon. Balloon red in color. A balloon is red in color. Old lady. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇಂಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಯಾವುದಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎ ಅಥವಾ ಆ್ಯನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ. ತುಂಬ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓ ಎಂಬುದು ವಾವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲ. ಅಗೇನ್ ವಾವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, an artist is painting a picture. Here picture is P, starts with P. It is a consonant. A picture. Understood? Okay, this is a homework. ಇದು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಜೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ today evening itself to my number. Okay, understood, my children? All the best. Keep doing.